time just drifts away.
What is needed in this present hour? A gospel awakening is what is needed. This didn't do anything to give them what they needed at that moment. This didn't do anything. But this did accomplish something.
Teaching me to be your servant, Lord. All along, God's hand has been guiding me, shaping my life to be a beautiful song. All along, He's led me through things that He knew would make me strong. Christ's love has been there all along.
Beginning to act out in obedience what Christ taught us here. He said unto them in verse 38, let us go into the next task.
My body may be tired and my bones may be squeaking, but I've got a living God. He's alive and well, and His darling Son is coming soon, and I'm going to occupy till He gets here.
Well, the Lord sure met with us tonight. Of course, I graduated from college here 10 years ago, 2004, but what a blessing to be back here. And there's something about being here in this place. And Ralph Sexton preaching tonight sure spoke to me, and the man before him about next towns. But just the Lord winning His power in our lives, and what God wants to do with us and through us, and could do in us if we'd allow Him, if we'd just be willing to die. So it's just a great meeting. And I only wish more people could be here to hear it, and I know God wants to do a work in this country in this hour.
I'm here at Baptist Friends in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we're having a great meeting. God touched the services tonight. This is Monday evening, and we've had two great preachers, and the Lord has met with us. And I want you to stay tuned to this meeting. If you're not able to be here personally, I want you to look online at baptistfriends.org, and at 9 a.m., that's Eastern Time, and then at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, log into the services and get others to watch. Now we're trying to get the gospel all around the world. It's the death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus Christ that everyone needs to hear about. You get involved as God leads you.